Yo, welcome back to another video. I am Callum, and this time I've got a few updates on the car, and we're going to be installing something in this video, so that's going to be pretty cool. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is a new spoiler. It's attached to the original spoiler, and I will show you guys in a little bit. It's not perfect, it's got issues, it needs sorting, but for now it stays on the car, it doesn't go flying off, so it's all good. I've already been down the motorway on it, so it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So there's not actually much left to do than get into the actual content, so let's go. Okay, so it is a different day, and I'm working on something else at the minute that I'm gonna start going through with you guys in this video. But the first thing I wanted to show you that I mentioned in the last clip was this. So this spoiler was, I have no idea what it was off, to be honest. It said V6 on it, so it may have potentially been off a Clio V6, but I'm not entirely sure. It's pretty cool. It took a fair bit of fab work, and it's not perfect. There's lots of gaps under it, but that's something that I can plan for in the future and fix. Right now I'm currently working on something pretty exciting. It's one of the bigger things I've done to the car, really. As you can see, I've took the seats out of the back, so weight reduction in a sense, and I am currently installing a rear seat delete kit, which looks amazing. I've got it mocked up at the minute. I've not bolted anything down, but it looks absolutely incredible. It's so simple, sleek, looks sick. It comes in three pieces. You've got this back bit which covers like your spare wheel. You've got a piece there that covers where the seats used to be, and then there's a piece that dips down at the front. So those two need to be screwed together with these brackets, which is the next step for this. Okay, so there's brackets 1 and 2 in. Next is to attach this piece. Okay, we're all bolted on in the two sides. Now we're going to try and mock fit it. I think this might need bending a little bit of the brackets, but we'll see. And other than a bit of backache from moving everything around, it's in and it looks sick. So my plans are, on the door cards where it's blue, change that to like black or grey or something a bit more subtle. Same on the fronts, because everything else inside is black or grey, so it looks so cool. I have now got all of this to deal with and put somewhere. Guess it's all going to go in the garage. So I've put the parcel shelf back in, and it's all done. We're all sorted. So she's on her way, getting towards, very slowly, that show car idea that I've got for it. Very slowly getting there. So I think I'm now just going to go on a little bit of a drive, because I've got a feeling that it's going to be quite loud. So I'm getting a bit close here. So we'll see what it sounds like from the inside. I will be using my cheaper GoPro version, so quality might not be the best. We'll see. So yeah, let's go for a little drive. I also apologise for not filming anything to do with the spoiler, but that was a pain in the backside. Like, it was so much effort, and it just wouldn't have been an entertaining video because I wasn't in a video making mood, so it just wouldn't have gone well. It wouldn't have looked great, it wouldn't have been interesting, so I just didn't bother. So that is going to do it for this video now. I've got a whole lot more I can do. I hope you enjoyed it. I plan on doing some more stuff whenever I get a chance to buy more stuff for the car. Come summer, hopefully I'll be able to do a lot more videos, because I'm planning on doing lots of bodywork to the car, so we'll see how that goes. I'm no professional with bodywork at all. I've pretty much done very little other than the spoiler, so we'll see how it goes, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you!